Unlocking the meaning of work one's tail off. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and widely used phrase, work one's tail off. This expression is not just colorful but also deeply rooted in English-speaking cultures. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it in your everyday conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, work one's tail off, is an idiomatic expression in English. When someone says they're working their tail off, they mean they are working extremely hard or exerting a great deal of effort towards a task or goal. It's a way to emphasize the intensity or dedication behind the work being done, often beyond what is normally required. The origins of this phrase are somewhat metaphorical and humorous. The idea is that someone is working so hard that their tail, figuratively speaking, as humans don't actually have tails, could fall off from the exertion. While it's difficult to pinpoint exactly when or where this phrase originated, it's widely used in English-speaking countries and has been a part of the language for many years. To help you understand how to use this expression, here are a few examples. In a job context, she's been working her tail off to meet the project deadline. In studies, I need to work my tail off this semester if I want to get into a good college. Personal achievements, he worked his tail off to win that marathon. Notice that the phrase can be adapted based on the subject, I, you, he, she, we, they, without changing its meaning. It's important to know that work one's tail off is somewhat informal and is best used in casual conversations, personal narratives, or when describing someone's effort in a more relaxed setting. It might not be suitable for very formal contexts, such as official documents or presentations to a highly formal audience. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, work one's tail off. It's a colorful way to express hard work and dedication, adding a bit of flair to your English conversations. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a great way to sound more like a native speaker and to enrich your language skills. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your own sentences. See you in our next video.